Hello students, this side Sarika, your maths teacher. Welcome to my channel Sarika Krishna Online Classes. Right? If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. So in my previous video, I explained the mensuration, the first exercise, the formulas which were required for the first exercise, means the area and perimeter of a square, rectangle, parallelogram, triangle. Right now, for the second exercise of NCERT book 11.2, we require two types of formulas, right? So side by side, I'll be telling the formulas which will be required in that exercise. So for 11.2, we require these two formulas. This is the area of a trapezium. What is trapezium? In trapezium, one pair of sides are parallel, other pair is not parallel. There is a height also, right? So area of a trapezium is half sum of the parallel sides. These are the parallel sides. You will add the sides, multiply by the height. If there is a general quadrilateral, means it is not a parallelogram, not a rhombus, not a square. In general, it is a general quadrilateral. So this is a quadrilateral here. AC is the diagonal. There are two heights which are dropped from D to AC and from B to AC. दो heights वहाँ पे है H1 and H2. So how to write the formula? Area of quadrilateral, the general one is half into sum of the altitudes which are dropped on the diagonal AC into multiplied by the diagonal AC. उसमें आपको sum चाहिए होता है heights का और diagonal आप multiply करते हो और half. In this sum आपको parallel sides का चाहिए और height से आपने into करना है, right? So first question of NCERT book 11.2 is, this is a trapezium. We have two parallel sides. These are the parallel sides, right? A and B. This is the height. So let us apply the formula, right? So the area of trapezium is area of trapezium. First of all, we should write the formula half into sum of the parallel sides into height. Now we will substitute the values. What is A here? 1. What is B here? 1.2. What is H here? 0.8. So that becomes here 2.2 into 0.8. You can remove the decimals, right? अगर इसका decimal remove करें, then you have to divide by 10. Here also you have to divide by 10. एक decimal place है तो 10 से divide करते हैं. 2 decimal places हो तो 100 से, right? So this is cancelled by 11 right here this way, right? So ये आएगा 11 8 से 88 divided by 100 and that comes out to be, though there are two zeros, so decimal from here shifts 1 2. So 0.88 मीटर स्क्वायर. मीटर स्क्वायर इज द यूनिट ऑफ एरिया. अगर एरिया होता है तो मीटर स्क्वायर. अगर हम पेरीमीटर कैलकुलेट करते हैं सो ओनली मीटर और सेंटीमीटर, स्क्वायर नहीं लगता. एरिया हो तो भी पुट स्क्वायर. वॉल्यूम कैलकुलेट करेंगे आगे सो क्यूब लगाते हैं फिर. मीटर क्यूब, मीटर के ऊपर 3, राइट? So here we are talking about just the area. Apply the formula of area of trapezium, that is half into sum of the parallel sides into the height. हमने sum of the parallel sides add किया, height से multiply किया. First इसको add करो, then multiply करो. If there is a decimal, remove that decimal. There was one decimal place, एक 10 लगा लो, एक 10 लगा लो, right? इसको 2 से cancel किया, and cancelling you should know, right? So you got the answer 0.88 meter square. So first question we have done. Let us do the next one. Now in question number 2, the statement is that the area of a trapezium is 34 centimeter squares. I have written the given things, right? Area of the trapezium is given 34, right? One of the parallel side is given 10. Height is given. We have to find the other parallel side. So we know that area of a trapezium, that formula is half A plus B means sum of the sides into the height. Area we have 34. We can equate to 34. Now here we are let us substitute the value of A. We don't have B, we have 10 into 4 is equal to 34, right? We don't have one parallel side, but we have the other one. So now here, this 2 we can cancel with this 4. So A plus 10, and we have 2 here, and right here in front, right? So 2A plus 20 is equals to 34, right? So 2A is equal to 34 minus 20. So 2A is equals to 14 and A is equal to 7. So this is the other parallel side, that is 7. So this question was simple. We use the same formula of parallel area of a trapezium, but in this case area was given, one parallel side was not given. So in this formula, one parallel side was not given, but the area was given. So we can equate this formula to this area, and simply we can simplify. 2 से we can cancel this 4. ये जो बाहर का 2 है bracket के, you're supposed to multiply by 2. 2a, 2 tens are 20, then shift 20 to the right side, and then in the last divide by 2. You get the value of a, which is the other parallel side, which is AD right here. So here AD will be 7 centimeters. You have to put the unit also. If you are finding the side perimeter, then centimeter or meter. If you are finding the area, then put centimeter square, meter square, right? Now this is the second question now. Now here, this figure is also of the same type, right? It is also a trapezium. Parallel sides are given, but height is not given. So we can find the formula directly with the help of height, that formula. So what we'll be doing, we'll be finding first height. How? Perimeter is given. What is perimeter? It is sum of all the four sides. So if you want to find AB कैसे आएगा? Perimeter से just subtract the total of these three. ठीक है? Perimeter से जब आप इसका total subtract करोगे, right? You just add this up. So it becomes 505, right? So AB becomes 120 minus 105 is 15. It means this AB here is 15 meters. Now we are supposed to find the area. Now we have this height. This is height, right? So now let us apply the formula of area of trapezium. The same formula we have to apply here. Half. First we should write the general formula. Then we should substitute the values here. Half sum of the parallel sides. These are the parallel sides 40 and 48. Let us substitute height. Just now we have found the height, that is 15. Right? So we can't cancel this 15 just by 2. So we need to just add them up. Right? So half, this here is 8. 448 into 15. Now we can cancel this 2 with this 88. This is your 1 multiply, right? So let me rub this. It becomes 1 by 2 multiply 88, right? So 2 cancel करेंगे तो 44 आएगा, right? So 44 into 15, then you can find out the answer. Then it comes out to be 660 meter square. This was the area. So you are supposed to put meter square. So you can do the calculations. 44 and 15 easy to multiply, right? So these two figures were also the same type, but here the side was missing, here the height was missing. We found that side with the help of the area formula, and area was given. Here we don't have the area, we have the perimeter. With the help of the perimeter, we found first the height, then applying the formula of that height and sum of the parallel sides, we found the area of the trapezium, right? Now the next question, students. Okay, students, now we'll be doing question number 4th and 5th. What is question number 4th? We have a general quadrilateral. Two heights are given, h1 and h2, and this diagonal is given 24. This is diagonal, right? So the values have been given to h1, h2, two heights and diagonal. So area of a quadrilateral, we know that half into h1 plus h2 into diagonal. It's simple. We just have to substitute the values of the two heights and diagonal, right? So half, let us add this into 21 into 24. 2 can be cancelled with this, right? So 21 into 12, and that will be equals to 252, and it is centimeter, meter. So meter square. We have to put the unit, otherwise in the exams your half mark will be cut. So this was direct, applying the formula, substituting the values, and we found the answer. Okay, now in this next question, right, they are saying that it is a rhombus. Diagonal of the rhombus, two diagonals of the rhombus are given, right? And we have to find the area. So we have a direct formula for area of rhombus. Formulas are totally direct. Half into d1 into d2, right? So we just have to substitute the two diagonals here. Diagonal 1 is 7.5, diagonal 2 is 12. If you have a decimal, just cut that decimal and put 10 there. 2 1s are 2, 6 are 12. So 75 into 6 by 10. So when you will multiply and put it, you will find out that it comes out to be 45, right, centimeter square. Just multiply this, right? It comes out to be 450. But when you divide by 10, then 45, right? So these were two the question number 4th and question number 5th. They were direct questions, right? You were supposed to put just the values in the formula. Okay, now let us do the next one. Okay, students, now we'll be doing question number 6 and question number 7. In question number 6, what do we have? We have to find the area of a rhombus. When one side is given, height is given, one diagonal is given, we have to find the other diagonal. But other diagonal can be found if we have the area, because area is equal to half d1 into d2, right? If we don't have the area, how can we find out? So we'll find the other way to find out the area. Now, since rhombus, it is a parallelogram, right? A rhombus is a parallelogram. I'm writing in short, parallelogram, right? Rhombus is a parallelogram only. So its area will also, area of a parallelogram is base into height. So we can calculate the area of the rhombus also by base into height. So what is base? Side, base means side, all sides are same. So base is side and height is 4.8. If you will multiply, you will get 24 centimeter square. This is area. Now we know that area of a rhombus in terms of diagonals is half, right, d1 into d2. So now we have the answer of this. We can equate this to 24. यहाँ पे भी have, हमारे पास एक diagonal है, हम डाल देते हैं, diagonal 2 हमने निकालना है. So 24. So ये 2 इससे cancel होगा 4. So 4d2 is equal to 24 and d2 will be equal to 24 divided by 4, right? So 4 6 are 24. So the second diagonal will be 6 and unit is centimeter. जो centimeter वहाँ है वही हमने डालना है, meter है तो meter, right? So this, in this question we were supposed to find the diagonal. Diagonal के लिए formula होता है area of a rhombus, half d1 into d2. So we need to find the area. अब area कैसे निकालें? हमारे पास side है, हमारे पास height है. So जो rhombus है, it is a type of a, sorry, yes, rhombus, that is a type of a parallelogram only. So we know that the area of a parallelogram is base into height. So we can use that formula as rhombus is also a parallelogram. So base into height करके we found the area, और area का जो formula diagonal की terms में था वहाँ लगा के हमने वहाँ से area का डाल दिया और वहाँ से d1 की value डाल के we found d2. So it was simple, right? Now in this question there are total tiles 3000 and the tiles are rhombus shaped. I've written the given things instead of writing the statement, the whole question I have written the main things, given things. Total tiles, rhombus shaped, diagonals, rhombus shaped, तो diagonals जो है उनके they are 45 and 30 centimeter and cost of 1 meter square is this. Find the total cost, right? So first of all we'll find the area of the rhombus, right? So we have the diagonal, so area of rhombus, that is half d1 into d2. So आप इसका फॉर्मूला लगा लो. d1 क्या है आपके पास 45 और ये क्या है आपके पास 30. आप 2 से कैंसिल कर दो, 15 लगा लो. तो ये आपके पास आ जाएगा 675 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. ये सेंटीमीटर में है, राइट? सो ये जो 1 मीटर स्क्वायर की कॉस्ट है दैट इज इन मीटर. मीटर की कॉस्ट दी है. सो दिस इज इन सेंटीमीटर. इसको हम मीटर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. बट ये तो है एरिया ऑफ वन रॉम्बस, राइट? वन टाइल, राइट? वन टाइल का एरिया आया ये, right? Because हमने one tile का ही diagonal डाला है. Now we have 300 tiles. So area of 3000, not 100, sorry. Area of 3000 tiles का क्या होगा? One tile का जो है उसको 3000 से आप into करोगे. So वो आप multiply करने के बाद आपकी जो value आएगी वो आएगी 2025 and 3 zeros, right? So इतना सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर है area of 3000 tiles. अब यहाँ मीटर स्क्वायर है क्योंकि कॉस्ट मीटर स्क्वायर की दी है. सो यू नीड टू कन्वर्ट द सेंटीमीटर इनटू मीटर. सो हम क्या करते हैं, सेंटीमीटर इज अ स्मॉलर यूनिट. स्मॉलर से ग्रेटर में जब चेंज करते हैं तो ये डिवाइड. अब अगर 1 सेंटीमीटर होता है तो ये डिवाइड बाय 100. आपके पास सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर है तो आपके पास एक और 100 आना चाहिए वहाँ डिनोमिनेटर में, राइट? क्या करते हैं, नाउ हियर आई एम रिपीटिंग दिस अगेन. एरिया ऑफ अ रॉम्बस ये होता है. वी वर हैविंग द डायगोनल्स, तो हमने ये क्या निकाला, एरिया ऑफ वन टाइल. बिकॉज जो रॉम्बस शेप्ड टाइल है उसका एरिया इतना गया, बट हमारे पास तो 3000 टाइल्स है. सो जो एरिया एक टाइल का आया, जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3000 यू गेट दिस. तो ये टोटल एरिया आपको देता है 3000 टाइल्स का, राइट? सो नाउ ये सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर में है. अगर यहाँ पे जो कॉस्ट है दैट वुड हैव बीन ऑफ सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर, तब तो इट्स इजी, बट यहाँ पे जो कॉस्ट है दैट इज ऑफ मीटर स्क्वायर। सो आपको ये एरिया को मीटर स्क्वायर में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा। सेंटीमीटर, 1 सेंटीमीटर के लिए 100, दूसरे सेंटीमीटर के लिए 100, राइट। सेंटीमीटर छोटा यूनिट होता है, व्हेन यू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू मीटर बड़े यूनिट में, देन यू हैव टू डिवाइड। अगर मीटर से सेंटीमीटर में जाना हो बड़े से छोटे में, देन यू मल्टीप्लाई, राइट। दिस थिंग शुड बी क्लियर, राइट। सो ये 2 जीरोस 3 जीरोस तो वैसे ही निकल गई, राइट। सो हियर अगर हम इसको 10 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो 22.5, राइट, एक जीरो लगा देते हैं, राइट। सो दिस इज द एरिया सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर। नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, ये हमने सेंटीमीटर में तो कर लिया। नाउ कॉस्ट के साथ आप इंटू करेंगे, राइट। आप लिखोगे कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 मीटर स्क्वायर, सॉरी नॉट, दिस इज नॉट सेंटीमीटर नाउ, दिस इज मीटर, सॉरी, राइट, बिकॉज हमने मीटर में कर लिया। सो कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 मीटर स्क्वायर इज 4। सो कॉस्ट ऑफ आपके पास कितने मीटर्स हैं, 202.50, राइट, और इज इक्वल टू आ जाएगा 202.50 इंटू 4, राइट। तो आपके पास आंसर आ गया 810 रुपीज। I hope it's clear, right? It was little lengthy. First area of एक tile का निकाल लो, right? The tile is rhombus shaped. Apply the formula of a rhombus. Half d1 into d2 we found. Then tile of 3000 के लिए उसको 3000 से इंटू करेंगे, क्योंकि वो सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर था, उसको मीटर स्क्वायर में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए 200 से डिवाइड करते हैं। जो आपका डेसिमल में आंसर आया वो आपका आंसर अब मीटर स्क्वायर में है। अब आपको क्या करना है, कॉस्ट निकालनी है, क्योंकि एरिया तो आपको पता चल गया। कॉस्ट 1 मीटर स्क्वायर की कॉस्ट दैट इज 4। सो आपके पास कितने मीटर स्क्वायर है, इतने, इसको आपने इंटू 4 करना है। So you'll get the answer that is 810 rupees. Means वो जो 3000 टाइल्स है और 1 मीटर स्क्वायर की कॉस्ट से 4 रुपीज के कॉस्ट से, तो टोटल जो कॉस्ट लगेगी वो लगेगी 810। आई होप इट्स क्लियर। सो दिस फर्स्ट वी फाउंड द एरिया। एरिया को हमने यूज किया, डायगोनल निकाला। यहाँ पे हमने पहले एरिया निकाला एक टाइल का, फिर निकाला 3000 टाइल का, फिर हमने उसको कन्वर्ट किया मीटर स्क्वायर में, फिर हमने उसको उसकी कॉस्ट से मल्टीप्लाई किया, वी गॉट द आंसर। नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन चिल्ड्रन। Students, now we will do question number 8 and question number 9. In question number 8, we have, this is a road, this is river, right? We have here trapezium. Here, this height is 100 meters and it is said that this length which is on the side of the river is double the side of that road, right? This is a field, right? इधर को road है, इधर को river है. So river की side है that is double of road. अगर road की आप x ले लो, if this side is A, B, C and D. If AB is x, so this side जो यहाँ river की side है that is double. Double means 2x. So हमने assume कर दिया x and 2x, right? Here AB is x and CD is 2x. Double. And area is given this much. So we have to find the side of which is touching the river, right? Means we have to find this. CD is asked. CD हमसे पूछा हुआ है, right? We will be finding x, फिर हम उसको डबल करेंगे तो हमारा CD आ जाएगा, right? Okay, now area of the field is given. Let us apply the area of trapezium. Area of trapezium is half into sum of the parallel sides into the height. So we have here sum of the parallel sides are x plus 2x, other side is 2x, into height is 100. So ये आप इसे इंटू कर दो, 50 आ जाएगा आपका। x प्लस x कितना होता है, 3x। 3x आपके पास आ गया और बचा आपके पास 50 है और आपका आंसर एरिया का गिवन है। सो जस्ट इक्वेट टू दैट। आंसर आपके पास एरिया का है, राइट? x नहीं है, बाकी दिस हाइट वी हैव। सो हियर इन ऑर्डर टू फाइंड 3x आप क्या करेंगे, 10500, ये आप यहाँ आ जाएगा 50, बाद में 3 भी आ जाएगा, राइट? इसको कट कर दो, 5 5 2 ज़ा 10, 5 1 ज़ा 5 और 0 वैसी रहती है। सो 3x इज 210 एंड x हो जाएगा 210 डिवाइडेड बाय 3, राइट? सो ये है 210. So this is 210 divided by 3, that is 70. ये तो x 70 आया, हमारे से पूछा CD that is 2x. So CD is equal to 2x, 2 into 70 and that is 140 and meters. We have to see the unit. यहाँ meter लिखा था तो it is in meters. So I hope this is clear. क्या किया? There is a field there. Let me see the question. Top raised platform. Not platform. Shape field. हाँ. There is a trapezium field there. Right, one side of that parallel side of the trapezium is touching the road, the other side is touching the river. जो river की side है that is double of the side touching the road. So let the side touching the road be x, So the side touching the river will be double of x, that is 2x, right? So अब area का formula लगा लो. Area of a trapezium is already given. So area का formula होता है half into sum of the parallel side. One side is x, other side is 2x into height, और ये आपका area given है. x plus 3x we can add 3x, और 100 इसको हम कट करते हैं 50, right? Right side पे जो area पहले 50 लेके जाओ, बाद में 3 लेके आओ, you'll get the answer of only x. X is not asked. They are asking that find the side which is touching the river. River की side है CD. CD is 2x. So जो आपका आंसर है उसको डबल कर लो, 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लो, you'll get 140 meters, right? I hope this is clear. Okay, now what is this question? This is a regular octagon. Octagon means 8 sides, right? There are 8 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Regular means all sides are same. So one side is 5 is given, so all sides are 5. Now here we have to find the area of this regular octagon. So let us see the shapes there, right? This is a trapezium. I'm writing in short, this is a trapezium and this is a rectangle, right? So जब हम इसका एरिया निकालेंगे तो एरिया ऑफ दिस ट्रेपेजियम प्लस एरिया ऑफ दिस ट्रेपेजियम प्लस एरिया ऑफ अ रेक्टेंगल. सो हमें दो फॉर्मूलाज लगाने पड़ेंगे ट्रेपेजियम के और रेक्टेंगल के. सो नाउ एरिया ऑफ, आई नेम इट A B C D E F G H. Now area of ABCH. ABCH is a trapezium that will be equals to half into sum of the parallel sides into the height, right? So let us find out half into A. What is A? A is 5. Sum of the parallel sides आपकी 5 और 11 है और height आपकी 4 है, right? So if you have to find the area of this also, वो same आएगा क्योंकि dimension same है, height 4 है, 11 और ये है. So आप इसको double कर सकते हो, right? आप इसका find करते हैं, फिर double कर लेंगे, right? So यहाँ ये 2 इससे cancel हो जाता है, 11 और ये 5, that is 16, 16 to the 32. Now area of, अब नीचे का ट्रेपेजियम का सेम होगा GDEF, that will also be 32. I'm not going to calculate it again and again because the values are same. 4 ही height है, 11 और 5 sides है, 32 आ जाएगा. So दो areas हमारे पास हो गए. Now area of rectangle, बीच का rectangle है, area of rectangle that is H. Rectangle is HCDG and that rectangle means length into breadth. Area length breadth होता है. What is length? 11. What is breadth? 5. So 11 into 5 that is 55. So अब आपको क्या करना है? Total area निकालना है फिगर का. Total area of octagon. So आपका क्या होगा? 32 plus 32 plus 55. 5, 6 and 8, 9. So ये आपका आएगा 119 मीटर स्क्वायर. आपको यूनिट देखना है, मीटर है, so meter square, right? So 190 meter square. So here we have got the answer. Okay, now I'll repeat these two questions again, right? इसमें क्या था? एक फील्ड है, right? वो ट्रेपेजियम फील्ड है, उसकी एक साइड पैरेलल की रोड को टच करती है, दूसरी साइड उसकी रिवर को टच करती है. जो रिवर वाली साइड है वो डबल है रोड वाली साइड, तो रोड वाली साइड को आप x ले लो, रिवर वाली साइड को आप 2x ले लो, राइट? सो फॉर्मूला, इसका एरिया हमारे को गिवन है, एरिया लगा लो, फॉर्मूला एरिया का लगा लो. एरिया वी हैव हाफ सम ऑफ द पैरेलल साइड्स इनटू h, उसमें वैल्यूज डाल दो, ये तो x और 2x है, राइट? और राइट साइड पे यू हैव द आंसर ऑफ एरिया. सो उसको सॉल्व कर लो, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करके ले आओ और यूल फाइंड आउट x. पहले आप x निकालेंगे, देन यू हैव टू सी इन द क्वेश्चन कौन सी साइड पूछी है, रोड वाली साइड पूछी है, रिवर वाली साइड पूछी है. सो दे हैव आस्क्ड अस द रिवर साइड तो 2x है. अगर x आ भी जाता है तो आपको 2x निकाल के फिर CD निकालना है, बिकॉज CD is asked, you will get the marks for CD. Now here, this is a regular octagon. Octagon means 8 sides. Regular means all sides are same. 5, 5, 5, 5, every side. So this figure, if we join this and this, we get 3, right? 2 trapeziums and 1 rectangle. हमने 2 trapeziums का निकाला, half base into height. एक का निकाला, that is same, तो दूसरे का भी same होगा. क्यों same होगा? क्योंकि sides तो same ही है. वही same 4 है height और 11 और 5 parallel sides है, तो same आंसर आता है. Rectangle होता है length into breadth. Length है 11, breadth है 5, 55. Add कर तो 32, 32, 55. That comes out to be 119. I hope it's clear now. The last question is left, children. Okay, students, 2 questions are left. There are 11 questions. I thought 10. Okay, now the 10th question, the figure is this, right? We have this here. right? Square, it is a square, 15, 15 is same, and this is a triangle. So Jyoti and Kavita solved this question in two ways. She found the answer in two ways, right? How Jyoti solved and Kavita, right? I'll solve it this way as Jyoti solved. Now here we have to, she divided this figure into two trapezium, right? So values are same, so we can find the area of one trapezium and we can double that. So area of figure will be equals to double of area of trapezium. Okay, area of one trapezium, right? So that will be 2 into area of a trapezium is, first you'll write the formula and then we'll substitute the values here. Sum of the parallel sides are 15 and 30. 15 plus 30, इधर को 15 था, इधर को 30, तो ये पैरेलल साइड होगी और हाइट आपका 15 था, 15 को हाफ ऑफ पोर्शन, ये टोटल 15 था, इसको हाफ ऑफ में डिवाइड करेंगे तो 7.5 एंड 7.5 या 15/2 लिख लो, नो प्रॉब्लम, राइट? So you have to cancel with this. Here this becomes 45 into 15 by 2, right? Here this comes out, you can multiply and divide by 2, you'll get the answer 337.5 and its unit is meter square. This is the way how Jyoti solved. She divided this figure into two parts, right? Dividing it into two trapeziums of equal values, equal lengths. So you can find out the area of the figure by finding the area of the one trapezium and multiplying by 2. 2 cancel हो गया, आपने values डाली और आपका answer आ गया, right? So now here, how Kavita solved it? She joined this line, right? She solved it separately, triangle plus square. It is a square because the sides are same, 15, 15. Now here, so area of figure, according to Kavita, the area of figure will be equals to area of triangle plus area of a square. Right? Area of a triangle is half base into height plus area of a square is side into side. Let us substitute the values here. Half base, triangle का base है 15 और height कैसे पता चलेगी? Total 15, 30 है, इतना 15 है. So 30 में से 15 आप subtract करोगे तो ऊपर का part भी 15 होगा. 30 minus 15 is 15. So this height is here 15. This way we can solve. Now side of the square is 15, 15 into 15. So here it's 15, 15 size 225. We can divide by 2, 225. इसको आप cutting कर सकते हो या LCM ले सकते हो, cut कर दो, no problem in that. 2 1s are 2 1s are 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. So when you add them up, it becomes the same, 337.5 meter square. So area of the figure remains the same because there is only one figure, right? So Kavita and Jyoti, they both have solved this question. They have found the area in different ways, right? Changing the figure like this way and changing the figure like this way. Finding the area of a triangle, finding the area of a square and adding them up. Finding the area of one trapezium and just doubling that, right? Finding the double of that, twice कर लिया उसका, right? Now the last question is left, children. Now the last question of 11.2 NCERT, right? Now here we have a picture frame. ये आपका एक picture frame है, right? यहाँ पे dimensions दिए, this is 16, this is 24, this is 20 and this is 28. So I have divided this into 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, they are same. 3 and 4 and they are same. Means area wise they will be same, right? So now here, अगर हम ये लेते हैं, this is a trapezium, ये सारे trapezium है, चारों trapezium है. These are trapeziums, right? So trapezium क्या होता है? एरिया half base into sum of the parallel sides into height. आपको height चाहिए होगी, right? When you are finding the area of this, आपको ये height चाहिए होगी. When you are finding the area of this, आपको ये height चाहिए होगी, right? So we need to find the heights first. कैसे निकलती है height? ये total 24 है, तो ये 24 बनता कैसे है? h1 plus 16 plus h1. आप ऐड कर लो, h1 plus h1 plus 16 कितना, यहाँ से यहाँ तक कितना हो गया? 24. So h1 twice h1. So here 24 minus 16 उधर चला जाता है. Then value of h1 is 4. Means ये आपकी जो height आएगी h1 that will be 4 centimeters. Similarly when you have to find this here h2. So आपकी ये पूरी side 28 है, तो ये कैसे बनेगी? h2 इतना portion plus 20 plus h2. तो h2 plus 20 कितना है? 28. h2 ऐड कर दो, 28 minus 20 कर दो, h2 4 आ गया. तो मीन वहां पे भी 4 है. h2 is also 4 and this h1 is also 4, right? So now area of figure 1 and 2, ये सेम है दोनों के, राइट। उनका टोटल एरिया जो भी आएगा एड अप करेंगे या डबल कर लेते हैं, राइट। एरिया ऑफ 1 प्लस एरिया ऑफ 2, राइट। सो आपका वो सेम आएगा, एरिया ऑफ 1, चलो डबल नहीं करते हैं, जस्ट लेट अस फाइंड द वंस, एरिया ऑफ 1 and 2, एरिया ऑफ द फिगर 1 and 2, that will be is equal to half into sum of the parallel sides into the height, half into sum of the parallel side. When we are finding out this 1 and 2, the dimensions of parallel sides are 20 and 28. आप देखोगे तो 20 और 28 पैरेलल साइड्स और उसकी हाइट 4 है, राइट। सो आप जब सॉल्व करोगे सो ये आपके पास आ जाएगा 48 into 4, आप इससे कैंसिल कर दो 2, तो 48 into 2 दैट इज 96, राइट। सो एरिया 1 और 2 का कितना है, 96 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर। सिमिलरली एरिया ऑफ फिगर 3 and 4, ये दोनों सेम होंगे, 1 और 2 का दोनों का 96 है, कंबाइंड नहीं है, सेपरेट, उसका भी 96, इसका भी 96। तो 3 और 4 का क्या करना है, सेम फॉर्मूला है आपका, एरिया हाफ इंटू सम ऑफ द पैरेलल साइड्स इंटू हाइट। अब आपको उसमें सम ऑफ द पैरेलल साइड्स डालनी है, 3 बोलो या चाहे 4 बोलो, इसमें पैरेलल साइड्स है 16 and 24, ये 16 और 24 है और हाइट वही 4 है, राइट। सो हियर एरिया विल बी 2, इससे कट कर लो, राइट। 16 and 24, 4 6 10, that is 40, right. 6 4 10 and 2 3 4, right. So 20, that area be 80 centimeter square, centimeters में है value. So these are the areas. Area of one figure 1 and 2, that is 96 or area of 3 and 4, that is 80 and 80. Now let us read what we have to find. Find the area of each section of the frame. ईच सेक्शन का निकालना, तो फर्स्ट सेक्शन का एरिया 96, सेकंड का 96, थर्ड का 80 एंड फोर्थ का भी 80, राइट। सो ओके, दिस वाज द लास्ट क्वेश्चन, राइट। सो आई एम डन विद दिस एक्सरसाइज 11.2 of NCERT book, right. So now in my next video I'll be doing the next exercise. Okay, thank you children, stay blessed and subscribe my channel and share my videos. Okay, God bless you.